I just got the new case for the Fatshark goggles off of my printer. There were some batteries I salvaged from an old Dell laptop battery. Also have this LED checker, an old DC jack and a balance lead and a few wires. So let's get everything soldered up and get this working. First sand the top and the bottom a bit with some sandpaper before you place some solder. It will make it stick a bit better. And then after you sanded it, place some solder quickly on there. So now we got a bit of solder on both sides. Now let's start by bridging one positive and a negative together. Now that these are connected, we're going to take our balance lead and we're going to use the white wire, the one in the middle, and connect it to one of them. It doesn't really matter, it just needs to be connected. So let's add this here. There you go. Now that we got this ready, we can already try and see if everything fits. So there you go, they're all the way down. Now let's also solder the positive and the negative of the balance lead to the batteries. Now that's it for the balance lead. Now let's first solder some wires to this LED strip or LED checker. This is negative and this is positive. It's secure on there, so alright, now let's insert this LED into the slot. And now you have to push it all the way down. Let's take something. Is it all the way down? I don't hear a click, so it's not completely. Oh. It has to go a bit deeper. Oh, this is where it should be. You hear the click. Alright, so now let's place these wires here and let's see where we're going to cut them. This one is going to go here and the other one is going to go to the back. Now the LED checker is in. Now we can cut our wires to the right length. Now let's pre-tin those ends before we solder them. Need a bit more solder. There we go. Now this LED checker is connected, so we should be able to check it, and it seems to work. Now let's connect a DC jack, and then we only have to put the lid on, but I still need to print this. So let's just connect the DC jack and test if my Fatshark goggles turn on or not, and then we're good to go. There we go, and now the last one will be a little bit of a pain in the butt because it's so packed. So let's see if we can get it in between there. I quickly printed out the top lid, so now we can put everything together. But before we're going to put the top on, let's first check if everything is in order. So I have my old Fatshark battery, and let's quickly check. So the center is the positive and the outside is the negative. Let's take ours. And the center is positive and the outside is negative. So that's okay. Our LEDs are working. So let's put the top on. There you go. Now let's check it with the goggles. And there you go. Works just fine. Already has one LED less. So great. I will put the link of the 3D file in the description, and I'll hope you enjoy it. So happy printing and happy building it. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.